In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to your Wix website. If you're looking to make your site more engaging and lively, adding a GIF can be a fantastic way to do just that. GIFs are a great way to catch the eye and keep visitors interested in your content, as these animated images can convey so much with just a simple loop. Let's dive in and learn how to seamlessly incorporate them into your Wix site. First, let's start by navigating to your Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens in terms of design and content management for your site. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so using your account credentials to access the editor interface. Once you're in the Wix website editor, get your mouse ready to roll over the main visual elements. On the left-hand side of the interface, you'll see an icon labeled Media. This is your go-to spot for handling images, videos, and, of course, GIFs. Give that Media button a click to open up the Media menu. After clicking on Media, look for the option that says Upload Media and click it. This action will open up a new window, guiding you to the next step where you'll actually upload your content. It's quite straightforward and designed to be a seamless experience. On this new screen, you'll see a button that says Upload from Computer. Click on this button to access your local files. Now, it's important to pick the right GIF, so if you haven't already chosen one, make sure to have your favorite ready and waiting. Now, a File Explorer window should pop up where you'll locate the GIF file you've prepared. Find it on your computer, click on it, and then hit the Open button. As a quick tip, make sure that the file is decently small in size to avoid slowing down your website's loading time. After selecting your GIF, it will begin uploading to your Wix media library. You should see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once completed, click on the GIF in your media library to highlight it. This action selects the GIF and prepares it for the final step of adding it to your page. Finally, to place the GIF onto your web page, click the Add to Page button. This will seamlessly integrate the animated image into your current page design. Adjust the size and positioning directly within the page editor to fit the layout you envisioned. And there you have it. With just a few quick steps, you've successfully added a GIF to your Wix website. Remember, you can move and resize the GIF as you wish, ensuring it complements your site's design. Feel free to experiment with different GIFs to see which best enhances your online presence. Happy editing, and I hope your website dazzles and excites every visitor.